Rengkat kejeng ur sojeng ruai kejeng kejong balang Presbyterian kebaong Sha Īing Ngan Leit banom Īap Shuh kipai ba jongkari mata kasngi lai foi tarik orisa arajat arfau kila ai Khublei Khatduh ye Meiieit Spility lengdo langren kariuslur kebelayang persya lagi bun snam ya kejeng ti uranium hakatan dom yasiat bandong ba jenren hakan kasngi batap ini Meiieit kipai ba gobabon keleng-keleng kisnong kentup ru ia kinangalam jong RiKhasi Student Union usamla Bramley wan bantai bala we neki samla obre yang persya banyaki ya kejing di uranium bat kamjuru kinangalam jong keseng KSU bat kibede keseng mahalang kila ai Khublei Khatduh ia kene karuslur kabra khlatno akini kesngi kibradap bade kamet jong kalatap menta kasngi rengkat kene kejing ai Khublei kipai ba kilara ru ia ki banner ia ki plakat kibadan kejing tho kiban sa jengkan mau ia kini kalong kemi kariu temben kebelalan lali ia ke folklore tengka na kamta banyada ya kendau kasiap bar kamtam ya banyada ya kami mariang walada Meiieit Spility lengdo Īing Shuh akan ke perthai ande ke denjat ki kamsur ki jong i bar kamtam ya kamasim lan di ki jong i kanyaisa pateng junom la junom akan kari kabaki riulum ki song kisa kari kabaki babon ki persya ya kajeng snio na kabi uranium par kamtam me je kajeng wan thambor je bor ka sarkar India namba kita kitnat ki beriban wa de uni marpo khandau ubaramdor ndrei ubolong pat kajeng ma ya kari ba kajaj benriu hakan kasni om tang ki pat ba ki balawan lai iru ki khanarit ki trashnong je kan kasnong ki layang rangkat ki jingjau ombat bat rangkat ki khmat ki banno shopo iba ben pau ki khmat sosi ki jongki rengkat ru bakajing artatien rengkat ru bakajing songkhuslai manupat banyeng banmi banyada ya kathan dom yasiat bade kathan nong ba jenren nagi bor jong kasargar India ki batmu panon thong jubor yoni umar po khandau lai ka juka por ki pajba kimi lenti bagi dam na ka jengkermen bagi dinjan bagi kamslur jong kene kariu kan thai kinlong ki ba ai masiem na bagi long din badali leru kinamla setiaban ailat yagi board jong kasargar India banti yau ni umar po khandau
kan pule na kilai teligi banta ga kin ga jong lai ba banwak na ka gospel kun yoni kuno ko ban kong ko ba ji tu yong wat ki lai na ga dong no jong ki tong ni ki hanga bat hau na ba ga yi pa jong.
So we are here to pay our last respect to our Wonder Woman, Kong Spility Lingdo Langren. We just buried her after a service at her home. It was thundering and raining, but finally the clear blue skies came back and we were able to finish our last rites for her. So I'm grateful that we were able to come to pay our last respect with the members of the KSU and NESO. And we hope that we can strengthen her family to never allow mining of uranium in this land for generations and generations to come. And the tanks that we visited are actually that way. There are 4 tanks there that have been leaking, but now they've been sealed, but we still need to control the radiation. And I've got some friends and colleagues who've got technology to use nature-based solution to control the radiation and clean up the contaminated water and the soil. So we're going to try them out when we can. So this is Bramley Lingdo signing off from Domosiat. Thank you very much.